Whether you're a new gardener or a seasoned one, knowing and understanding gardening terms can help you plant and grow successfully. Here are 11 terms you're likely to hear, but check out our gardening glossary article for a full list. Aerating pokes holes in the ground to make it easier for air, water, and nutrients to get under the surface. This leads to a healthier lawn. Annuals are plants that last only for a single season. You'll need to plant them again each year. Bolting is when a plant is going to seed and typically happens with leaf crops like spinach or cabbage. In other words, the plant is telling you that it's done growing. Signs your plant is bolting include flowers forming at the top of the plant and a tall main stalk. Plants need friends too. Growing specific plants near each other allows them to share benefits that improve growth, repel pests, and more. Deadheading removes faded flowers to encourage new blooms and extend the flowering season. Ornamental plants are grown simply for the way they look. Add these to your yard or garden if you prefer a more decorative landscape. Perennials are plants that live for more than one growing season. They'll die back in the winter and re-emerge in the spring. Plants grown in containers can end up root-bound, meaning there isn't enough room for their roots to spread out. This is typically something that can be fixed before planting in the ground. Topsoil is the most important layer in your garden. It's where your plants get all their nutrients and almost everything else they need to grow. Thatch is a buildup of plant debris between the soil and grass that keeps water, air, and nutrients from reaching grass roots. Use a thatch rake to remove it from your yard. Weed and feed is a fertilizer weed killer combination that kills dandelions, crabgrass, and other broadleaf and grassy weeds. Don't forget, there's more in our garden glossary article. In store, the Lowe's Garden Center has plant tags with information about specific plants and their care requirements. You can also find other lawn and garden projects in DIY and ideas at the top of Lowes.com.